So the number one question I get asked by most of my customers is, how do I share testimonials so that I get more sales? I am the founder of this tool called Famewall.io, and we have over 10,000 plus active users using this product every day. And my own customers have seen a lot of success when it comes to displaying testimonials in the right way and use them as social proof. So without any quick further ado, let me show you how it's done as simple as possible in this free tool called Famewall.io. So once you're inside Famewall's dashboard, you can create a wall. A wall is basically going to be a project which holds all your testimonial widgets, collection pages, wall of fame pages, and much more. And once you're inside the wall, you'll be able to see all these testimonials which I've already collected. But you don't have to fret. You can use the testimonial collection page if you are starting from scratch, and you can use this link to send to your customers so that they can send you a testimonial. Otherwise, if you already have existing testimonials, you can use the add or import option, which you can see here, and it imports from 30 plus platforms. So the basic way you can share a testimonial is once you have it collected inside your wall, you have this button called share. So once you click on share the testimonial, you can either copy the link to the testimonial. Let me copy the testimonial and display it on a new page. So it opens up in a separate landing page. It shows up animation as you saw before. Now let me show you how a text testimonial looks like. We click on share. And as you can see, the text testimonial also appears like this on a standalone page. So this is one way to share a single testimonial. Otherwise, you also have the option to embed your testimonial. So you can copy this embed code and paste it in your platform with WordPress, Kajabi, Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, and much more. There are support for over 30 plus platforms. In case you have any questions or you have any doubts, you can simply hit me up in the support chat here and I'll be super happy to help you out. So this is one way of displaying a testimonial. The second way is that you can generate an image out of a testimonial. So for example, here's this generate image option. Let me click on generate image. So it opens up a custom image such that you can display it on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook stories, and much more. So you can choose to play with these settings. You can choose the customization options. Here I have a custom background image, but I can delete it as well. So you can choose a custom background as well. And you can turn it into a gradient. And there are plenty of options to play with such that you can choose to customize and display it in the branding of your own business. And once you're done, you can click on download image and the image gets downloaded so that you can directly post it on your social platforms. And the next option to display the testimonials is the testimonial widget option you can see here. So the testimonial widget is basically going to be a wall which has all your testimonials together. So here I'm using the grid widget. There are multiple widgets to choose from. You can use the carousel widgets, which will display it in an arrow fashion like this. Or you can also choose the dual slider widgets as you can see here. So the dual slider widgets appear in a rotating carousel fashion. There are also different widget types you can choose from. So there are plenty of widget types to choose from as well. There are plenty of customization options available here. Like you can also display the testimonial widgets in the language of your own choice. And you can also toggle and play with different settings here. You can enable the AI review summary, which you can see here. It automatically generates a review summary as testimonials are added and displayed. And then to the next option of displaying testimonial, you have the wall of fame page here. So a wall of fame page is going to be a standalone page with its own nav menu links and custom call to actions here. Let me show you how it looks like. So here is a wall of fame page, which I've displayed for Famewall. So it basically has all your testimonials and you can link this particular page to your Calendly links, emails, meetings, and much more. The next option we have is to turn your testimonial into a social media video. For example, let me click on this testimonial. So it plays with a fancy animation and you can use this video in your social media campaigns such that it retains and attracts customers. This works well because it in fact attracts high-paying customers for your business. You can also select a video testimonial as well, and the video testimonial will be displayed in a different fashion where you'll have a waveform which plays as your customers speak. You can choose the different display options as well, and all this is up to you and free to customize with. Apart from this, you also have the review schema using which you can display a star rating on your Google search as well. So as you can see here, there's this review schema snippet. And this rating displays on your Google search ratings when you embed this code on your website. And not just this, you can also use logo sliders to display testimonial logos of prominent customers and companies using your product. So you can also embed this code on your website to show social proof prominent people using your product. And there's also the social proof avatars, which display profile pictures of prominent customers using your product. These are some easy ways using which you can display testimonials to easily get sales from your customers. I hope this video was useful. I'll see you soon in another helpful video.